Hello out there, Dark Age Camelot community. I have another video here with a how-to, and this is how to make some fast cash. Okay, today we're going to talk about salvaging. I've already talked about alchemy and the importance of it. As you can see, I've got metalworking, leatherworking to 1300. Clothworking is 1191, almost maxed out. Okay, now the reason I brought those up is your salvaging is based off of those skills. The higher your skill is for metalworking, leatherworking, and clothworking, the more material you get when you salvage an item. I went ahead and chose Coruscating Mine because the named mobs drop plentiful amounts of weapons and armor to salvage. Okay, and if you're not familiar with how to salvage, you just right-click the item in your box, click the salvage. Now, depending on the item, level, quality, skill, this can take probably up to about 45 seconds to a minute for each item. And as you can see, I've got a nice full pack here. As you got 4 platinum. Pay attention to that because that's what I'm going to show you. Okay, now see, I got 24 tempered leather squares. Now, if you don't know about the crafting recipes, those are the most expensive leather squares. So even if you don't need these to sell them for the money, you can also salvage them for the materials to get your crafting skills up. All right, so while I'm doing this, I still got 34 seconds on my merchant stone. And the reason I wanted to cover this video is one of the loading screen hints tells you that salvaging these items will net you more gold than actually selling the item itself. And that's what I'm going to show in the video. Okay, so now I got 60 of those. Now, if anyone's wondering where to get this merchant stone that I use, this is free. All 3 realms have this quest with different storylines to get this at the level 30 to level 34 town. That would be Conla in Hibernia. I think it's pronounced Ardabard or Adrabard's Retreat in Albion. I haven't found it in Midgard yet because I haven't started my mid-tunes. Okay, so the helm, if I appraise it, is worth 2 gold, 71 silver, and 68 copper. All right, so let's go ahead and salvage it. Now notice I just went from 284 to 350. 60 of those leather squares netted me 65 gold. Okay, so 2 gold to sell the item. Let's appraise 24 of the squares. 26 gold. Considerable difference there. All right, if you are struggling for cash in-game and you need gold and platinum, salvaging can be a great way to do it. If you need materials for crafting armor for your template or weapons, once again, this can be a great way to do it because you can get the materials without buying them. As always, folks, thanks for watching.